Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fawaz Al-Ashwal. I'm a student at King Abdulaziz University, the Faculty of Engineering. This project was done as part of the IE 202 course with my instructor being Dr. Ghafar, Section 5. I'm part of Team 4 and Member 1. Our project today is a Yagi antenna that is also modular. So let's break down what this antenna is made up of. So we have this.
Okay, why this antenna? What this antenna is doing?
This antenna collects signals, free signals, and it's also portable, so you can use it anywhere.
So this is the free TV channels.
Free
Okay.
TV channels. Yes.
We are in Saudi Arabia and we want to get free television channels, which can come to your TV without any payments. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. So how your antenna works? How much the power of this antenna?
It's 8 decibels.
8 dB. Okay.
8 dB, yes. 8 dB. Because of the directors, we have these parts are called directors.
Okay.
We have 3 right now as part of the base kit, and then we also this is called a dipole, and these are called reflectors. And then we also have the mounting here and the stand. We also have a cable, coaxial cable, that goes into the dipole.
Okay. So this one is for the people who are within the city, and if the signal strength is very good, 8 dB antenna will be okay.
Be sufficient enough.
Sufficient enough. Okay. Now,
Let's say
for
you
example,
go a bit further, somewhere a bit more rural, you need
more
connections,
decibel.
yeah.
Okay, so converting this 8 dB to 12 dB, you will not buy a new antenna, okay, which will cost you more. What you have made it a modular, correct?
We made
So
it
now,
modular, so that what you can attach this, for example, this is another rod that has 5 additional directors.
Yes.
And is attachable to the main unit, like so. You just attach it here, and then you put the screws here,
and the
then you
antenna
have a
now
further
becomes,
connection.
yeah, so it will be more directional, and the antenna will give you
20
more
dB.
depth, more length, so the signal can come from more distance, yes?
Exactly.
So now connecting this one with the 8 dB antenna, the antenna turns into a 12 dB, almost 2.5 times more signal, correct?
Yes.
Okay, now you want to make it 15 dB. What next?
Let's say you are very far away from the city and you need something very directional and has immense range.
Okay.
This rod has 8 additional directors as opposed to the 5 additional directors.
And you
here.
can see again connect it
Same-
over there.
Yeah, it's the same process. This slotted in here,
Okay.
and then you put the screws.
Okay.
Put the screws, and you've increased the range of your antenna.
Same antenna,
Same antenna.
but
Yes,
now you are
this-
getting more depth and more decibels and more power. This is when you are in a very far away from the city, like in the desert or in a rural area, you can use it there, yes?
Of course.
Okay, let's now remove this from here and only show the working principle.
Okay, so we're now gonna show how the project actually functions, the main principle. So we have a coaxial cable that's connected to the dipole. Can you show the connection?
Okay. All right, so now where it is going?
Of course, it's gonna go all the way to inside where we have a television. So as you can see, we have a television here that has that very same coaxial cable connected to the antenna port. See the phone? Right here, we have the antenna port. Of course, we had to get an adapter because the coaxial cable does not connect to the antenna port. Now that we have this connected, we can use the remote and tune the television so that we can detect frequencies.
Okay, so now we have to get into the TV settings and we have to go into the channel scan. It is on Saudi Arabia, so we will say scan automatically. Let's put on the scan. Yes, digital. We would like to tell here is that Saudi Arabia now is transmitting TV signals on DTVB, which is called digital television, B2 or V2, they call it version 2. So if your TV do not have a tuner, which is or old TV, thus you cannot receive these signals. Just to mention that these signals or these channels are totally free and anyone can use this sort of antennas and get the signals. So now we will see how many TV signals and also digital radio signals we can get by tuning it. It is 18%. Let's see after 100% tuning, what do we get out of it. After 76 or 77% of tuning, we can see that it says we have 22 digital channels. Okay, so we have actually tuned, and now you can see this is Saudi channels Al Akhbariya. What's the next? This is KSA Sports 1, it says. Let's go to next one. That's Sports 2. So this shows that any match or any football match which is playing local, probably free-to-air channels will be very useful for local population. We have Sports 3, channel number 3. Okay, Saudi Arabia Quran channel. This is live from Makkah. This is Saudi channel Sunnah. This is live from Medina. This is another Saudi TV channel. I think it's the news channel or normal channel. Saudi Al-Han, channel number 8. Channel number 5 is SBC. And channel number 10 is called Tikrayat. And now I will show you some of the radio channels. These are the 10 video channels. Now I will go into the audio channels. Okay, here are the radio channels. You can see 1. Let's go to 2. Okay, there is a Bengali channel coming. Then European, French. Okay, Holy Quran Radio. Hona Al Azam. Jeddah Radio. Homas. Mojahat. Nida Al Islam. Pishto. Riyadh Radio. So these are the 12 radio channels. So total 22. So that's what we are receiving with only a dB channel. Since we are in the city and the signal strength is very powerful, you can see that we are even receiving one radio channel from Riyadh, which we cannot receive local on local radio. So that shows that the antenna power is good. We make another video on this to show by adding more rods and more power, what can we do? You probably maybe a place away from the city. Until then, goodbye.